lovely floral motifs in white with lovely golden zari etching also in the flowers. The white flowers and the green leaves and the gold zari etching is very, very nice on the top. The dupatta is in beautiful, very, very lightweight chiffon material. Beautiful rose buds and the rose flower itself and the golden corolla. Beautiful slender stems in green and yellow. Beautiful flowers with gold etching in the center. So it's really, really pretty. The center row of petals, as you can see, is in lovely, beautiful grayish blue. Beautiful white flowers with a pinkish tinge in the center. There's a special beauty with hand-painted clothing, whether it is sarees, salwars, other methods of even Western clothing. Hand-painted materials, hand-painted clothing is always very special. Hello, Avishya fans and handloom lovers. Today, I'm very happy to be introducing a lovely collection of hand-painted salwar suit sets. This is a very, very special collection which comes to us from Jaipur. The artist is also known to us. She does a beautiful job of hand-painting materials. She also is a painter. But today, you must see how beautifully she's expressed the beauty of floral motifs on a lovely piece of pure cotton salwar suits. And let's start with seeing one of them. I'll quickly start. Yes, this first one is a lovely jet black. As you can see, I'll quickly open it out so that you can see the beauty of the painting. Beautiful stark black, lovely cotton, soft cotton. And look at the beauty of the color combination and the painting itself. It's very, very artfully, beautifully done. This is the body, the top, and then I'll show you the bottom is of course matched to the plain black bottom, and you have the top is paired with this beautifully painted chiffon dupatta. This is the set for this, and of course the bottom. Let's see the next one. From black we move to a lovely, beautiful pink. Very, very nice bright pink. I'll just open it out. Again, the painting is so beautiful. It's lovely, fabulous, lovely white floral motifs. Lovely floral motifs in white with lovely golden zari etching also in the flowers, and overall the pink and white and gold is a lovely combination. This is the top, of course. Then you have the dupatta, which is in pink, matched in pink. Lovely chiffon dupatta in pink, again with white and gold etched painting. Lovely. And the bottom, of course, is a pink bottom. Third, we have a lovely exclusive gray, beautiful gray. It's a lovely, lovely cloud gray is what I would call it. It's beautiful. I'll open it out for you. Yes, beautiful, lovely. It's a slightly bluish gray, so it's very nice. The white flowers and the green leaves and the gold zari etching is very, very nice on the top. And this is paired with a lovely gray dupatta again, beautifully paired with this. I'll open it out so that you can see the fabric. Very nice, very lightweight, very airy chiffon, and this is paired with the top. So this is how the dupatta would look along with the top. And of course, the bottom is a plain gray. Next, we'll move on to this beautiful Elachi green hand-painted salwar suit set. Look at the color, it's so pretty, and the painting is also so nice. Have a look at it. Beautiful. Very, very nice. Beautiful white painting with gold etching. Really prettily done, and the Elachi background looks so rich, and you can see that it's hand painted. You can even see, for example, a few smattering of dots of paint have dropped because it's hand painted. You can see the difference. It's not a machine made thing, so it looks so natural and beautiful. This is the top dupatta, also the same color combination, but of course the dupatta is in beautiful, very, very lightweight chiffon material. So it'll be a pleasure to wear. You won't even feel it, but you'll have the joy of having a beautiful dupatta. So this gets paired along with this. This is how the fabric is. As you can see, it's really light, really airy, and very, very pretty painting. So this is the dupatta. Of course, it's the bottom is the same Elachi green bottom. So we'll move on to the next one. Next is a lovely deep navy, very, very deep navy hand-painted suit set. So I'll just open it out for you. On the deep navy, the painting is so pretty. It's gray and white, the painting. I'll open it out for you so that you can see it. Beautiful, lovely. As you can see, the deep navy gray is the painting, and very slender stems, buds, beautiful rose buds, and the rose flower itself, and the golden corolla and the etchings in gold. So overall, it's a very, very pretty combination. This is the top. Let's see what the dupatta looks like. The dupatta is again the same color. Dupatta is in black, I think, paired with the navy blue, and this is how it looks. Very, very pretty, very nicely done. And this is 2 layers. So if you look at it as a single layer, this is how it will look. It's very, very pretty painting. Lovely black paired with the deep navy. This is the dupatta. Of course, the bottom is the same deep navy bottom. This is how the whole set looks. Next, we have another green, but this is a lovely, this is a bluish green, and the combination here is very different. The painter has used a nice bright lotus pink, and beautiful slender stems in green and yellow. Beautiful painting. The combination of colors here, this lovely bluish green. It's almost a very nice, lovely bluish green. I can't call it an aqua. It's not so green, but it's very nice, beautiful green with a bluish tint and lovely pink flowers and yellow stems. This has been paired with the dupatta, the same color and the same beautiful bright flowers. So I'll just open it out. Beautiful. See the way how light it is. It's light as a feather. The chiffon is beautiful and the painting quality is also top class. Of course, the bottom is the same bluish green. One additional thing I wanted to tell you is that we have a wonderful scheme that we've launched at Avishya. It's called the Avishya Saree Surabhi scheme. In this scheme, you can even save as low as 500 rupees per month. The scheme runs for 9 months. So, for example, if you just put aside your pocket money and put aside just 500 rupees a month in 9 months, 9 into 5, 4,500 you'll save. In the 10th month, Avishya will contribute your 10th installment, which is 500 rupees. So, your overall savings will be 5,000 rupees. At the end of 10 months, you can actually buy something nice for yourself for 5,000 rupees. You can buy a salwar suit or two different sarees, whatever you want, and pick it up for yourself. In fact, for a lot of festival, birthday, anniversary, any occasion, you can plan like this. Supposing, for instance, you wanted to buy a more expensive thing from Avishya, let's say a Kanjivaram saree or a Banarasi saree, expensive, salwar suit set, grand salwar suit set for 20,000, 25,000, something expensive, you can save accordingly. Anywhere from 500, you can save up to 5,000 rupees per month. For example, if you save 3,000 rupees per month, 3,000 into 9 is 27. We'll contribute the last installment, which is another 3,000. So totally, you'll have 30,000 in your kitty. And with the 30,000, you can pick up anything that you like in Avishya. Any lovely, gorgeous saree or 2-3 sarees or 2-3 salwar suit sets, whatever you want for your festival or your occasion, you can pick it up. What is more is that you don't have to be worried that what if some better offer comes at that point of time. Whatever marketing offers are there from Avishya will also be applicable to the Saree Surabhi scheme members. If you've saved for 30,000, for example, in addition to that, whatever benefits you will be getting as a normal customer will also be available to you. So you have a double benefit when you enroll for this Saree Surabhi scheme. You get the last installment from Avishya and you also get all the scheme benefits, whatever is applicable at that point of time. Let's move on to the next set. Wow, this is a lovely, beautiful cyan blue. Lovely blue. It's got a nice, in Kanchipuram, they call this is Anda blue. It's a beautiful blue. Very nicely bright blue and beautiful, lovely white flowers. Lovely flowers with stems. Beautiful flowers with gold etching in the center. So it's really pretty. Let me open it out in full. I want to see this. Wow, it's beautiful. Really pretty. And of course, it's paired with a very stylish chiffon dupatta. I'll open that out as well. So if you see, this is how the dupatta works along with this. And of course, see the lightness of the fabric. Fabulous. It's really fabulous. Right? It's beautiful. And the bottom, of course, is the same blue. Right? Next, we'll move on to this nice, bright parrot green salwar suit set. Wow, what is the contrast which the painter has used for parrot green? Let's open it up and see. It's a lovely white, of course, and a beautiful, nice blue in the center. It's really, I have to open this up fully, I think. Yeah, beautiful, lovely, fabulous. I was just wondering how they'd manage this contrast. It's a beautiful parrot green, white flowers, but in the center row of petals, as you can see, is in lovely, beautiful grayish blue, and the leaves are in gray and the stem is in brown. So they've achieved a lot of beautiful contrast, but in a very tasteful and aesthetic manner. So this will be a wonderful winner to wear this. Let's see what the dupatta is. Dupatta is a slightly lighter green. It's not parrot green. It's a little more subdued green to set it off nicely against the parrot green. I'll open it out in full for you. Yes, beautiful, lovely. It's a very mild green. It's probably a pista green. Nice mild green, which contrasts beautifully. It's got a very lovely iced effect. It's a lovely green, and because the flowers are painted beautifully all over this dupatta. This is what it is. And the bottom is the same material, the beautiful parrot green. So overall, this is how the set would look. Wow. Last, you're going to see another beautiful green. It's a lovely green. It's an olive green. It's a beautiful olive green. I'll open it out in full for you to see the whole set together. Yeah, it's nice, beautiful, lovely olive green. And on that olive green, you have beautiful, a bunch of small flowers, beautiful white flowers with a pinkish tinge in the center. And of course, these leaves are rendered in black, the gold, contrasting gold etching in the center. So it's very pretty, very nicely painted, beautifully done. Let's see what the dupatta looks like. The same color, olive green, very nicely done. Wow, nice, beautiful. The painting on the dupatta is also very pretty. And See, nicely done. Beautifully matched top, and the dupatta are beautifully matched, and the flowers are very prettily painted. Same combination of white, black, and gold, and pink in the center. Beautifully painted, and of course the bottom is the same olive green. So it's a lovely set, and this collection is really amazing. I hope you liked watching this video and seeing this collection as much as I enjoyed showing this to you. If you want to take a closer look at this collection of hand-painted salwar suit sets, please walk over to the Avishya store. We are open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. We'll be very happy to meet you. Please come over. You can touch, feel, and pick out the colors that you like. You can go to our trial room or to the mirrors that we have. We have lovely mirrors. You can see yourself whichever color works for you. You can pick up what you want. You can pick up more than one, of course. And one thing very special about this collection of hand-painted salwar suit set is that you don't have to bother to go to a tailor and find out how to get this done. It's an unstitched set, but if you just indicate to us your size, we have a lot of ready-mades here. You can even wear one of our kurtas, check out what your size is, small, medium, large, or XL. If you just indicate your size, the set will be delivered to you in 2 working days. Supposing you make the order on Monday, Thursday, your set will be ready and you can come over to the store and pick it up. This is for customers who walk out to the store. Those of you who want to see this collection, order it online, please log into avishya.com. The entire collection is there. You can go online, pick up. Our staff are there, available 16 hours of the day. They're available across all time zones, all parts of the world. So you can ask your questions. If you have any queries, they'll help you pick up what you like and then place your order. Similarly, like in our store, if you place the order on Monday, we will ship the product out to you on Thursday and it will get delivered to your doorstep, whichever part of the world or India you're living in. And I really, once again, thank you so much for being with us on this channel. Every week is going from strength to strength thanks to wonderful patrons like you. We thank you so much and I look forward to meeting you again next week. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.